On today's Language Learning Minute, we'll look at two words that English language learners commonly confuse in a sentence. And those words are safe and safety. Now this is easy to get confused because the word safe can be both an adjective and a noun. When using the word as an adjective, we're describing a place that is free from danger. For example, the men in the photo are waiting on top of a roof. We would say they are waiting in a safe place. Describes the place where they are waiting. However, when we use the word as a noun, we're talking about the object, that box where we lock up our money and our valuables. We would say something like, put your money in the safe. It's a very different meaning than the adjective. The word safety, on the other hand, is only a noun. It also means a place that is free from danger. For example, if you look at the photo here, in the back you see the danger, the bear, and the men need to go in front of the bear to safety, a place that does not have the danger. So to use this word in a sentence, we would say something like, oh no, a bear is chasing them. They must run to safety. So let's look at some examples of how to use this word correctly. So to describe this picture, we could say they are running to safety, a noun, or they are running to a safe place, adjective. Both of these sentences mean the same thing. It's just in one we are using the noun form and the other we are using an adjective. The most common mistake that I see is students want to use the word safety as an adjective. So I see mistakes like, they are running to a safety place, or I feel very safety. Safety can never be an adjective. We must use the word safe here. So remember, the next time you're making a sentence, safety is a noun. It is never an adjective. Safe is the adjective you must use.